Talk about him a little bit more in depth. You're around him every day, but you notice when he's in this particular workshop, he's super engaged. So talk about that.
He is definitely one of our most ADHD, just like kind of off the wall kids. And then when he comes in here and he starts like touching these things, he gets this like this shine about him. Everything that he does, he'll start it, he'll put it down, he'll go find something to break or do something like bad too. Like he doesn't take his time to do like fun things. And when he's in here, he'll play with them, he'll build them. And he was one of the first ones to finish yesterday, and it was amazing because he didn't give up. Even when he got frustrated, he got like a little irritated, he didn't give up and he finished it. And that is the best thing that I've seen since I've started working.
He's definitely one of our standouts. The last time we were here and we did RC racing, he was one of our better drivers. He's just always super engaged in our workshop. So I just wanted you to kind of talk about that a little bit. And you just did. No. He's super engaged.
Super engaged. He comes in here, he sits down, he listens, he grabs everything, he follows the directions. Like,
are these things that he doesn't regularly do?
No, not at all. Not at all. Like getting him to sit and listen to something you're saying is, I'm not gonna say impossible because nothing is impossible with these boys, but it's hard. It's a challenge. And you guys come in here and you have this undivided attention, and that's like crazy. It is. It's kind of crazy to watch.